So yeah guys, it's been 1.5 months since this car actually been on the road. So there is one, two minor things. I have last night when I came from work, I put the outer CV. I bought one and I put it because the outer CV broke when we was removing the engine. It was making a ticking sound, so whatever. Then it doesn't have a coil because my coil gave up in the black car. So I stole the coil from this car when it was parked off. And I still need to put the clutch cable. The battery in this car is stoned, so I need to make a plan there. I need to put the clutch cable. I need to connect some of the gearbox linkages. Also, we have a water leak on this flange. I need to sort that out. And the tapper cover was leaking up, but I'm sure you can see it's messed because I didn't tighten all the bolts like tight. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Hopefully I don't have no issues because fair enough the car started, but you will only know when you actually rev the engine and drive it what it's actually doing. So follow through with me and hope you enjoy today's video. Okay, we put the coil and then got the distributor. This nut was missing, couldn't find it. One clip was missing, put the distributor, got the coil there. Need to test it obviously. Now I just want to put the clutch cable. Okay, so we have the clutch cable. I just need to put it on its bracket there. We have the linkages. Zoom in there. We have the linkages in place. Mind the messy work. Yeah, I need to sort everything out. It's just for a test drive basically. And yeah, regarding the water leak, I thought it was, where the flange goes onto the cylinder head, but that was fine. The water was leaking from, your switch here, temperature switch. Water was leaking out because it didn't have this rubber o-ring. This is one of my old o-rings that I had lying around. I had some spare parts, yeah. So I'm gonna clean the silicone. The guys at silicone there, clean the silicone up, put the o-ring, and then I'm gonna put the circle up, and hopefully it fixes that water leak. Okay guys, first test. Why are you ducking? First test drive. Yeah, the car's back wheel was very low, so I did take it for a small drive, but it was just to fill the air. So yeah, I got the airbox and stuff back on. Finally I could do a test drive in the car. So I'm gonna let you guys watch. Hopefully you could hear me talking, but yeah, you could see how the car moves. Okay, it's idling steady, 900 RPM. Yeah, it's 12. The video much quieter. Engine is much quieter, but I use cheap oil because obviously I know I'm going to drain the oil out in the car, which I'm not supposed to, but I'm going to be draining the oil out. So far so good, moving fine. No dramas, the power is there. Just touching the accelerator slightly and the car is going. Yeah, put foot down, it's moving. Obviously when you do an engine rebuild, try not to drive too hard and too aggressive. Keeping my revs below 3,000 and changing. You can't go to 4,000 and 6,000 because the rings still need to settle into the balls. Keep that in mind if you ever get excited to drive your newly built engine. Just remember that you can break everything up. I'm trying to look for like a very steep hill so I could do a pull up the hill. Not a hard pull because I don't want to over the engine. That's my handbrake light that keeps coming on, I don't know why. Like a hill, let's see how the car pulls. I got it on 3. Still on 3, I slowed down, broke speed. Touching the accelerator and the car is moving. Don't have to drop down to 2. That's how you know your engine is healthy. It needs to move. You don't have to keep on downshifting all the time. And there's no pinging. We're under load, but there's no pinging. So yeah guys, sorry about that handbrake light, handbrake buzzer. That was it for today's video. I know it wasn't much, but I just wanted to show you guys. You all saw me remove the engine, you all saw me strip the engine, you all saw me repairing it, you saw me putting it back into the vehicle. So you follow the whole process, and like you can see, my girlfriend's car is back on the road. She's videoing me and she's smiling here. Now she's blushing, but I'm sure she's happy because she wanted to go fast. But I know the car is not made for speed, but it had bad lack of power. So yeah guys, until the next video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.